1 box of spaghetti, 2 cups of broccoli, 2 cups of mushrooms, 1 onion chopped up, 4 garlic cloves, Italian seasoning. We're gonna make a delicious 1-pot pasta today.
Oh, that's what we're making.
Yeah. Grab some salt. Of course, we need some pepper. This is gonna be so delicious and so easy to make. You just need 1 pot and all of these fresh ingredients. You can skip this one, but I'm gonna add some crushed red pepper because I like a little spice in mine.
Spice is good for you too, so load it up.
Perfect. Now I'm gonna grab a 32-ounce carton of vegetable broth. You can do chicken broth, but I wanted this to be a vegetarian meal. And just use the whole thing. This is what's gonna cook that pasta. And just combine all of those flavors together. Okay, whole carton. All right, so it's been cooking for 12 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh, wow. That's looking perfect.
Smells delicious.
Give it a nice stir. We're not done yet, though.
Oh, no?
Nope. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my heavy whipping cream. This is 16 ounces, and we're gonna use half of this to do 1 cup. Or half a cup, I mean. Perfect. And then Parmesan cheese.
I was wondering if you were gonna have some cheese.
Half a bag of Parmesan cheese. Go ahead and mix that all together. Make sure it gets nice and creamy, because we want this pasta to be so creamy.
It looks pretty creamy.
Yeah. Just make sure it's well mixed. And we're gonna let it cook for like 1 to 2 more minutes to make sure that like sauce thickens up in there.
Yeah, the heavy whipping cream should thicken, right?
Yep. Smells delicious. I wish you guys could smell it through that phone. We have the garlic, the broccoli, the mushrooms, and now we just added that cream and the cheese. This is gonna be so good. You guys are gonna wanna make this every week because it's, you know, it has those veggies to make it healthy. It's vegetarian. We have no meat in here, but we do have some, you know, cheesy and creaminess in there, so it's definitely not vegan.
Do you think it needs more cheese?
No, I think that's perfect.
Sure, you know I love cheese.
You can add cheese on top of the pasta once it's done, which is probably what I'll do. Oh, and I smell that onion. That onion smells so good in there.
Vibrant.
Okay. Let this thicken up. We'll put the lid back on, and we'll be right back. All right, this is ready. Let's give it 1 more stir to see that thickness. Oh yeah, that's exactly how we want it. Oh, so creamy.
Yeah, it looks like the veggie broth evaporated a little bit.
Let's go ahead and get a serving. Oh, so creamy. Need some of that broccoli, mushrooms. Oh, it smells delicious, you guys.
And it's pretty healthy.
Yeah. Oh my God, the noodles are cooked perfect.
It's great. Was it good?
So good.
Nice.
You guys gotta try this one.